Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Mohammed and I'm also known as the King of Ecom. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to build a profitable Shopify dropshipping business for just $0. This is the exact strategy I recommend you guys to use in case you're on a low budget, and I have personally used this too. This method is untapped, proven, and a validated method. I used this method last month and got $140 on my very first day. And I have many people of mine whom I have personally tutored to use this method. They have hit $1,000, $1,500, and some even hit $2,500 on the very first day. I'm going to teach you guys this strategy step by step on how to set up this powerful strategy in your Shopify dropshipping business. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to this channel. Now let's get started. So the first thing is I would recommend $1,000 to $2,000 budget to start drop shipping. But if you don't have the budget, don't worry. I'm gonna show you this low budget strategy. If you follow this method that I'm gonna show you today, then you can get sales even in the first day or the second day. Now let's get started, and I'm gonna show you how you can set this up in your store. Now normally when you start your Shopify dropshipping business, the first thing is to set up a Shopify store. But since we are on a low budget, we are not gonna start a Shopify store until we find our product. So I'm gonna show you guys the best low budget method to find winning products instantly. So let me show you guys how to set this up yourself. So guys, this method is really easy. The very first thing is we are gonna search the AliExpress dropshipping center on Google, and we want to click on the very first link. And if you haven't heard about the Dropshipping Center, it's a platform listed by AliExpress which gives you direct access in data and tons of products that are being currently sold on AliExpress. And we can come onto this platform and actually tap into the data from other suppliers. So the very first thing we are going to do is click on the find products to sell, and now it's going to take us to this portal of all these other viral products that are very popular. So now you should be on a page very similar to this, and we can scroll down. We can look at these products and the number of orders. We can scroll down until we find some products that we want to sell. So another indication that these products are being drop shipped right now is shown in this DS orders over here. So this is actually counting orders directly integrated from the app that AliExpress provides. But some DS orders over here are definitely not accurate because it doesn't include data from Oberlo or any private links that the suppliers are actually making for drop shippers. But we can definitely use this metrics. If we can keep scrolling down, we can find a good product. So when we open these links, it's gonna take us to the AliExpress link. Now one thing I want you guys to keep in mind is we are not gonna look for products with tons of orders, but we are looking for products that solve a real world problems, because at the end of the day, cool products like this get some sales, but it doesn't have the drawing factor that customers buy them like wildfire. So let me give you a really good example over here. I'll put the video on the screen. Now this is a perfect type of product that will draw customers in. Finding your product because even though it looks cool, they are solving a real life problem. And this is gonna make sure your conversion rates much higher. And in order to be successful with the advertising strategies I'm gonna show you guys, it must be a problem solving product. Definitely go through this list and keep scrolling until you find a product that actually solves a real world problem. So I'm gonna keep scrolling myself until I find one, and I'll be back with you guys in a few minutes. Alright, so here we go. I just found a product. Now this product is a waist bag, belt bag, running waist bag, sports portable gym bag. This is for women. Alright, so what I want you guys to do is copy some keywords like this or the whole title. I want you guys to paste it on Google to see if any other dropshipping businesses sell the same product. As you can see that now we have tons of dropshipping businesses selling the same product. Now we are going to see at what price they are selling this particular product for. Now you can see that this particular store over here is now selling the product that we have selected, and they are selling this product for $19.95. Whenever you find product on AliExpress, we want to mark them up by at least 300%. Now for the proof that this product is going to do well and it's doing well is the reviews and the number of orders for this particular product. Now the reviews are 217 and the orders are 530. That means this product is doing really great, and it is a good indication that this product is successful right now. So now I'm gonna get over to the store creation, and I'm gonna show you the most low budget way to get your Shopify dropshipping store started and have a successful store that will guarantee customer conversion on your website. The first thing we have to do is set up a store. We need to choose a free Shopify theme. My personal favorite free Shopify themes are Simple, Boundless, Venture, Debut, and Brooklyn. Now these are really good options that would get your store built for completely free. Now I am not gonna be walking through the entire store creation process in this video. So now you have your theme installed. The next thing we are gonna do is create a logo, and you can create a logo in the just few minutes using Canva. So now download it onto your store, and now it should be looking solid. Right now, obviously you're gonna need to buy a domain name for your Shopify store, and this domain process is the only thing that is not free. There is no way to get around this, but I can show you a way where you can get a really low cost. Now head on to Google, search for GoDaddy 99-cent domain, and you want to click on this link, 99 cents domain, great domains at a great price, GoDaddy. So once you click on the link, you can get started for your domain for only 99 cents, and then you have to connect it to Shopify and it will save you $12, right? So now let's hop into the advertising segment. Now we have two options in order to make these posts now. So the first option is browsing for different stock footage on AliExpress or Alibaba. You go to the product page, they have videos which we can download and recreate them into TikTok. Now for example, I showed you my product right over here, the product we are going to put on TikTok. But this particular product description doesn't have a video. Now we can search with the same product name on AliExpress, and we can get a different product page having a video. Now we can recreate them and we can post them into TikTok. But there is a very specific formula for this. So that's option one, but this could be a little time intensive, but it really works. So this is one of AliExpress's product page. So in every video they post different viral content out of the product videos. So this is one of the ways to implement this strategy. Another thing is making duets of user generated content. Now the second best method is ordering the product from Amazon. So this isn't free, this is a very cost effective way to get tons of viewers for your product. If you order the product once, then you can make tons of TikTok and we can post them, and it's a really effective way to get more traffic and sales. If you order the product, it's gonna give you a higher chances of being successful. Keep in mind, it's not good enough just to have solid content. We need to post all our TikToks with viral songs. Add the first, second, or third viral song in the list, and you can dim the volume down to almost 0%. This affects the TikTok algorithm being boosted. Viral songs without music playing. This is a really easy and effective way to get video ads delivered to tons of people across the world for free. And the reason why you should find problem-solving product is if the product looks cool, I found it's not as effective if the products bring real-world value to someone. So definitely go out and try this method out. I promise this works. I got sales on my very first day, and I have tons of people whom I have mentored. They are absolutely crushing it using this strategy. I hope you enjoyed today's video and got ton of value from it. please make sure to subscribe and smash that like button. Thank you. Stay safe. Cheers.